I am big. I am so big. I am big. I am so big. I am big. I am so big. I am big. I am so big.
This just ins. Modern gaming is now officially just a full-price loot box simulator. Kiba growls softly.
Yo, back in my day I paid once and played forever. Now it's $60 to install pain and broken servers. Kiba Snowpaw got claws out, fangs bared. They drop DLC for air. I ain't paying $10 for blue fur shaders. You locked my emotes behind a battle pass traders. I was raised on strategy and bloodshed nights. Now the skill ceiling's lower than their matchmaking rights. Used to be raids, now it's skins with a theme. Click X to cry while you scream for a team. Patch notes drop. Yeah, they nerfed my joy, but the store though, thanks dev boys. They said it's balanced, that's a lie. You buffed the furries, but I still can't fly. You call this rank, bro, that's cap. My KD ratio's just trauma on a map.
Patch notes broke my heart.
Took the main, then monetize my art.
They said press it to pay respect. Now press F to unlock basic next. Patch notes broke my soul.
One button combo, zero control. Enemy game, but no plot, just stun. I miss when gaming was about fun. I fought gods in Hellstrom's frost. Now I fight lag, and my bank account's lost. Skill-based play, nah, that's banned unless you pay for the LE Wolfpack stand. Characters drop before the game's out. Pre-order bonuses full of doubt. Yo, where's the gameplay? Where's the lore? Why do I need 5 logins just to roar? You ever cry in a load and scream because a wolf can't be seen without a premium sheen? They sold my ice magic as seasonal content. Now I'm stuck emoting sadness in a paid event.
I used to be proud to call myself a gamer. Now I just call support because nothing works. Kiba didn't die for this. Kiba deserves better.
Patch notes broke my clan.
Now we just vibe in a micro-paid van.
The wolves are cold, the queue is long. All my friends logged off, the bond is gone. Patch notes broke my howl.
They replaced my frost with a gotcha growl.
But I'm still here, I still log and eat.
Cause pain is a free-to-play win. Press start to cry. Patch me up, devs, or let me die. I miss lit nights, not loot crate wars. This isn't gaming, it's online chores. Kiba drops the controller. And a tear.
In the glow of the screen I lose the day. Another night, another game to play. Kiba Snowpaw hiding in plain sight. A lone wolf lost between fire and ice. Memories echo from the past I fled. Pain and shadows howl inside my head. Out in the world I don't belong. So here in this realm I carry on. I'm chasing dreams in digital skies, guarded by walls I've built with lies. Between frosted howls and silent tears, a gamer's haven shields my fears. No one sees the scars I bear, just my avatar fighting somewhere. They call me a nerd, but they don't know the battles I've faced and the wounds that show in every quest and every pixel flame. I'm searching for something I can't name. Is it the joy I lost, or a dream deferred, or just a place where my howl is heard? The games distract, but don't erase the loneliness I hide in this virtual space. I'm chasing dreams in digital skies, guarded by walls I have built with lies. Between frosted howls and silent tears, a gamer's haven shields my fears. No one sees the scars I bear, just my avatar fighting. silent cries in this frozen lair. But I push the thought aside once more as the world outside becomes folklore. I'm chasing dreams in digital skies, guarded by walls I've built with lies. Between frosted howls and silent tears, a gamer's having shields my fears. No one sees the scars I bear, just my avatar fighting somewhere. Kiba Snowpaw, lost but free in this endless game of reality. The frost may bite, the fire may burn, but here I wait for the tides to turn.
They say real wolves don't cry, but I've been dying on the inside. Each paw step silent, heavy, cold, carving lies into the snow. They say men don't break, but I cracked in secret. They say be strong, but I forgot how to feel it. I smile like steel, but my bones are frost. And I run this land with the soul long lost. They say talk it out, but who would hear me? An alpha in pain is a myth, clearly. I'm the cry you never heard, the scream behind the hurt, the ice that never thawed, the flaw they all applaud. Don't say I'm brave, I'm just buried deep in shame and chains. I dare not wait. I disagree that we don't suffer the same. I just learned to hide it, to play the strange game, while the shadows howl louder than any praise I've earned. And the frost on my heart is the fire I burned. I didn't speak cause the silence is safer than being seen as the pack's betrayer. You think I'm whole, but I'm frozen through a storm inside no one ever knew. I raised my muzzle, but not my voice, cause I was told that was strength, that was choice. I'm the cry you never heard, the scream behind the hurt, the ice that never thawed, the flaw they all applaud. I walk with ghosts of common dreams and drown in streams of silent screams. This mask I wear is made of snow. You think I lean, but I don't know. The truth is, I needed help, but feared the shame of reaching out in the Alpha's name. And so I roared into the void until my voice became destroyed. I'm the frost in the fire.